What's up? What's up? Good morning, Grand Rising. How's everybody doing? Let me know if you guys can hear me. All right. Perfect, brother. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, so we're finally live streaming after a week of no live streams. But remember what I always tell you guys, quality over quantity. You know, if I don't see a setup, I'm simply just not going to, we hear you, right? Perfect. I'm simply just not going to send out a trade. But, before we even dive into the charts, before we do technical analysis, the first thing that we always do is look at the fundamentals, right? Fundamental analysis. And that's by going to Forex Factory and seeing if there is any news event. And as you guys know, we are literally in the middle of CPI, and CPI is one of the news that impacts gold the most, right? 8:30 a.m. CPI red folder came out positive. Gold's probably pushing up a bit right now, and the DXY is probably pushing down. Now, we never trade in the middle of news. We try to avoid news most of the time. So, like, if, for example, if we enter a trade before news and we have news at 8:30, we usually would get out of the trade before that news event happens. Or, if we want to trade, gold at around 8:30, we would pretty much wait 15 minutes after or 30 minutes after. So we'll pretty much wait for the candle closure of the 15-minute or 30-minute time frame. So, whatever gold ends up doing from now till 8:45, I pretty much won't care because I won't be entering on those trades. I gotta wait for a candle closure and wait for price to move and see where the overall direction is after news, because there's a lot of things that happen during news, a lot of manipulation, a lot of ups, downs, and we don't want to get stuck in all of that. And on top of that, guys, a lot of prop firms don't even allow you to trade high impact news like CPI. So just to avoid all those little conflicts that there is, might as well not even trade it, right? If the probabilities are going to be against you, then why are you going to force a trade, or why are you even going to trade it? You get me? A lot of traders lose in the markets, and one of the main factors of losing is volatility. High impact news creates a lot of volatility, so why trade it? So let's dive into the charts, see what's going on. All right, so as we look at gold right now, obviously gold has been very bullish, but we are starting to see some type of retracement coming right now. In the 4-hour, we can definitely mark up this level right here as an important key level to mark up. If we break below 2177 or 2176, then we can anticipate gold to push down. More than likely, we could see some sells coming in today if we break that level. And we can probably continue to buy if we continue to play above this 2079 level, right here. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, you can tell that resistance level that we marked up, it's a very strong resistance level. It's been a resistance multiple times in the past, and it's also above SMA. So if we break above that level on the 30-minute or 1 hour, we should be looking in for the buys, and then probably targeting 2180, which would be about a 20-30 pip target zone. That's a nice little 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk reward. Believe and you put your faith in Jesus Christ's death and resurrection, and you will be saved. Yes, sir. Let's go. Target zones will more likely be this one right here. This one looks pretty nice. We can target 2082 as well, 2083. Yeah, 2083 looks nice. And then if we obviously go in for the sells, and we can more than likely target these levels right here of 2074, and ultimately we can target 2170. So the risk reward would be a lot better if we go in for the sells, but of course we pretty much just have to wait to see what ends up happening, because right now you guys saw price, it's pushing up, it's pushing down, and we don't want to enter into this gamble, right? We need to wait for a candle closure to enter this trade. Let's dive into a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame looks a lot more promising. This resistance level does look really nice. I just don't want to miss out on this trade, but hopefully we could get some type of retracement or pullback to enter on a break and retest. But this is definitely the area where I would be liking to buy. If the candle closes right now where it's at 8:45 in 4 minutes, I'll be going in for the buys. And you know, I would be looking into sell below this level of 21.76. Also very nice level. I might as well just stay in the 30-minute time frame. No reason to go down into the 15.5 minutes since it looks pretty clear. You know, there's no more data that you need. You know, the 30-minute looks super clean. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, we don't need to look at the 15-minute. Look at the 15-minute, how clear those levels are. Resistance key level at 21.79 is super clean. Multiple touches. Price would be breaking above SMA. Multiple confirmations for buys. And if we were to go in for the sells, then obviously, you know, below 21.76, where it's been a support level multiple times in the past. And our key levels are pretty much marked up really nice here. So we just, you know, gotta wait and see what ends up happening in the markets. This is what I would, you know, want to look for here. Ultimately, this is what I'm looking for the buys. And then this is what I'm looking for with the sells. Or something like this. Some type of break and retest to continue down or continue up. We already tracked price into both our key levels. Now all we gotta do is have patience and wait. I'm gonna send out the markups to my communities. Open up Discord. Perfect. So I like where price is at right now. If we get a candle closure above that level, you know, we should be going in for the buys. Let's see what the DXY is doing in the 30-minute time frame. DXY looks very looks choppy right now. Huge wick rejection towards the upside. As we all know, DXY and gold have an inverse correlation. So if the DXY had a strong rejection towards the upside, more than likely it's going to push down, making gold push up, and that's exactly what we need for those buys. So I like how the market is setting up. If the DXY closes below this key level right here, we're going in for the buys on gold. Market looks super clean. It's a pretty obvious trade too, so you know, let's potentially catch this trade. I don't want to miss it. Happens in 1 minute. Let me know if you guys understand it in the chat. All right, guys, I'm entering the trade. 21.79 was my trade. Stops at 20.77. Gold is very volatile. I'm in the trade. We got to break out. Sending out the signal. I don't want to miss out on the trade. Sent out the signal. 21.79 was our entry. All right, guys, we are in the trade. 21.79 is our entry. 21.77 is our stop loss for 20 pips. And TP1 would be 20.81. So right here. And then TP2, we're about to hit TP1. Boom, TP1 was just hit. Let me know if you guys were able to catch the trade. It was super quick. But let me know if you guys were able to catch it. We are one on the live stream. Let's go. Beautiful trade. Guys, you guys gotta be quick, especially on these type of news events. If you didn't catch it, you know, you just gotta be quicker. But we did catch the trade at 21.79. We pushed up 20 pips, and we are currently floating at around 20 pips in profit. Drop some W's in the chat, guys, if you caught the trade or made some type of money here. There's no reason why you guys should be losing here. You know, we're pretty much floating in profits right now, regardless where you entered. Beautiful trade setup. TP1 get hit again on the reentry. So if you entered again at 21.79 because you missed out, you know, we pushed back up 21.81. So you know, perfect trade. Big W's in the chat. I do believe we can continue pushing up. But guys, we already caught a W. TP1 was hit. See how the dollar closed. Okay, dollar closed closed good. We closed below that level on the 15-minute time frame. So, you know, we should be good. Quick W. Within like 2 minutes, we were able to secure 20 plus pips on gold. What a nice comeback. Hopefully we can catch, you know, a nice 1 to 3 huge trade here. For those of you guys entering the live stream late, you know, we already caught a big W. This trade was already won. Now we're just pretty much waiting to see if it hits TP2 and TP3. And I'll probably call out another trade later on GJ or another pair if obviously I like how the market's moving. Alright guys, so stops was hit on the original trade after TP1 was hit. So overall it was a winning trade. But you guys shouldn't be in this trade at all. I'll let you guys know if I'm looking for a potential re-entry. If we re-enter on this trade, we now gotta get a candle closure above 21.80. Overall the trade was won, guys, because we did hit TP1. But if you guys want to re-enter this trade, we gotta enter in a candle closure above 21.80. Gold's back inside the range. DXY is also back inside the range. We'd have to wait till 9 a.m. candle, see what ends up going on. See what GJ's up to. GJ hasn't broken these levels that I marked up last week. We break this support level, then I'll be selling on GJ. We can target this level right here. 188, 300, 187, 188. Psychological, that's about a 30 pip move. It'll be a nice potential setup that can play out on GJ. I would potentially look for buys above this level right here. To target 189, 200. So from 188, 800 to 200, that's about a 40 plus pip move on GJ. GJ is also setting up really nice. See if we can go 2 on the live stream. Just got here. Bot teachers didn't let me use my phone. What happened? Kev, should I use my alpha account or you're doing that already? I'll start managing it this week. I'll be using EAs to manage it. I'm not gonna be manual trading on the accounts. So they're all placed on a copy trader, and pretty much once your alpha account is passed, then pretty much all the other accounts that I'm managing are also gonna get passed. I'm not gonna be manual trading on them. But if you want, I mean, you can also use it. Just make sure you're not in drawdown. Make sure, I mean, you don't lose the trades. Just got here. Which regardless, if you are in some type of drawdown, you know, the EA can still handle it. Just it'll take a little bit longer to pass. Just got here, okay. There's my setup for GJ. See what gold's doing. Gold's pushing down now. I hate when gold does that. Like gold pushes up, we get a breakout, and then it just moves in a completely different direction. So weird. I gotta get used to these new gold prices. I've never seen gold be up at 2180 and like all these strange numbers. For mine as well. I don't know what you're referring to, but if you're one of the challenge passing clients, then yeah, pretty much everybody who's going for the account management and account challenge passing, they'll all be passed at the same time. They're all placed on a copy trader. If you guys want me to pass a challenge, any account, doesn't really have to be alpha. You know, I can pretty much pass any challenge or any platform that allows EAs. You know, all you gotta do is reach out to me, DM me, and you know, I'll give you guys a 50% off. Now, the platform I obviously do recommend is Alpha Trader, since that's the one I'm currently funded with, and I have a few students funded with as well. And you know, if you want to pass or if you want to buy a challenge, my bad, you know, you can go in the description below, and it's TPKev30 for a 30% discount on any challenge from Alpha Trader. Is the VIP lifetime still available? Yeah, you go on the WAP page and you'll be able to see the lifetime there. Let me open it up for you guys so you guys can see how to access that. Give me 1 second. Okay, so if you guys want to get access to my signals or my mentorships or pretty much any service that I have, all you gotta do is go on the WAP page, Take Profit Academy, and you'll see these three tabs right here. There's the free package, which basically just gives you access to the free community, the Telegram, and just a YouTube link to my live streams. The signal room is this one right here. It's $99 a month. It used to be $70. I did raise the prices since back then it was just a Telegram chat. Now we literally have a whole Discord community where you guys can communicate. I send out breakdowns, signals, and then I connect with you guys once a week as well on the live trading floor. So the price did go up a little bit more, but it's $99 a month. For 3 months, it's $200. This used to be the lifetime, but now it's just a yearly package. So you'll have access to the signal room for the whole year for $5.99. Now, if you guys want one-on-one mentorship with me, there's the one-on-one mentorship. Now, you can join the wait list, but that doesn't mean you will get accepted and you won't get charged. You'll only get charged if I accept you. Now, I only usually work with 3 to 4 students every month because the mentorship does take a lot of my time. I literally have to do a Zoom call with you guys once a week for about 2 hours, and I want to give you guys my full attention and focus. So that's the reason why I don't really work with a lot of students, but I only work with like about 3 to 4 students every month where I focus on and make sure that you guys are profitable in those 30 days. But yeah, you guys can access this page in the description below where you can access the signal room, mentorships, and pretty much all of my services. And then for your challenges, you can use Alpha Trader. They accept EAs. They don't accept HFTs though. And we can work on that challenge as well. And you can also buy it for 30% off. You're not gonna get any other challenge with any other prop firm for that amazing price. So yeah. Currently waiting to see what gold ends up doing in the next 2 minutes on that candle closure. Huge rejection towards the upside. We did catch a quick scalp for 20 pips, so we were lucky there. And yeah, we got to see what ends up happening now. We got 40 viewers in the live stream. Let's go. For those of you guys that are late or just joined now, we are currently 1-0. We want to trade where we caught a quick scalp for about 20 pips. And I'm potentially looking for another trade with GJ more than likely, since GJ is setting up nicer than gold. GJ looks nicer than gold, 100%. Sells below 188.300 and buys above 188.800. Let me send this chart breakdown to the signal room. All right. So we're currently in a range inside and with GJ right now in the 15-minute time frame. Let me see how the 30-minute looks like. 30-minute also looks very nice. We could take sells at 188.500, but the risk to reward really wouldn't be too good if we would enter here. So I'd more than likely I'd rather wait for price to reach 188.300 so we can get the good risk to reward for like 40 pips, so we can catch a nice 1 to 2. And then with the buys above 188.800 psychological, that's the level that makes the most sense to me. I wouldn't be entering here at 700 because then it would struggle to break this level right here and it would be like a 10 pip move. Also doesn't make sense. So I'd rather just be a little bit more patient and wait for these key levels to be hit. Gold is currently melting. That's crazy how it just closed up below and completely flipped on us. Yeah, I don't think I'll be trading gold anymore for the day. We've got a really ugly candle flip. Yeah. Let's stick with GJ. Let's see what ends up happening with GJ, and if we can catch a nice trade with GJ. We're currently 1-0 on the live stream, guys. Let me know if you guys want me to hop on the Discord, and you know, we can talk through there. Any of my VIP students that are in the live stream. You think gold will start moving bearish soon? I hope for that, because we'll have data to the left now. Yeah, possibly. We still need more confirmations though. Yeah, I'll hop on. All right, let's go on the Discord. Give me a few seconds, guys. Let me set it up. If you guys are in the VIP sing room, you guys can hop on the live trading floor and you guys can chat with us here on the live stream. Just make sure you turn on your camera. And let's see what ends up happening here with GJ. Yeah, code just flipped bearish. Oh my god. Yeah, code just flipped bearish, completely bearish. GJ, we're about to catch a breakout. Let me get this ready. Get this signal ready. Gold looks like we're about to catch a nice breakout. What's up, brother? I mean, not gold, GJ.
Yeah, gold did a nasty move down.
Yeah, just huge reversal. Sending out the trade on GJ, guys. Impulse entry. GJ and gold pretty much are inverse most of the time, so I'll be entering on the buys here. 188, 800 in the trade. Stop loss 188, 600. 20 pips. I'm in this trade. Signal was sent out. Currently 5 pips in profit. TP1 would be 20 pips, so 189 psychological would be our TP1. TP2 would be 189, 200. So up here. And TP3 would be 189, 400.
like almost a 30 pip stop loss, right?
20 pips.
20 pips.
Yeah. We're entering at 188,800. Stop loss 188,600. And we're floating about 10 pips in profits right now. Let's go.
Yep.
I like this trade, even though we're entering on an impulse and not on a candle closure breakout. The reason why I like this trade a lot is because we have every confirmation, even the inverse correlation that it has with gold. GJ and gold most of the time move opposite, so gold just flipped completely bearish. GJ and gold usually does the move before GJ as well. So if that's a clue that the market's basically giving us, GJ should fly up anytime soon now, and at least target this TP2 here that we have at 189,200. So we should be hitting TP1 the moment that it decides to fly up. So looking at the 15-minute time frame, if we get this candle closure at 9:15, we should fly with GJ. The only thing that I don't like is that our stop loss is obviously inside of the current candle that we're playing in right now. That's the only thing I don't like. But overall, the trade looks solid to me. And of course, I got it on impulse because I saw that the market was flying, and I thought we were just gonna keep on pushing up. But if you guys want, you guys can wait as long as it's playing out around where it's at right now. You guys can wait for the candle closure if you guys haven't entered yet. If you entered already, stay in the trade. I honestly like it. I entered already as well. But if you haven't entered yet, don't rush it. Be smart about it. Our entry was 188,800. Try to enter around that same level where I entered at. If you enter, if it's already at 188,900, you're late on the trade. You got me? So that's why you gotta be smart about when you enter these trades. But I like the trade setup.
Yeah, I think it'll be a good trade.
Just we need that candle closure in 7 minutes.
Hopefully I'm doing it on my Cortana account, not my trade locker.
Yeah, you were able to get that payout with Cortana?
Yeah, I was. That's why I'm just gonna milk it till I have the other account that you're gonna manage past.
Gotcha.
Then once that one's passed, then I'm gonna just start using that one and forget about the 10K Cortana.
Gotcha. And how much was the payout for on Cortana?
500.
Okay,
because it was a 10K account.
Yeah, that's why they paid you.
I didn't want to do 1,000 or anything more, because then you run the risk of them not paying you out. So I just wanted to play it safe for $500. If a problem can't pay you $500,
then yes. And how much does a 10K cost for them? So you pretty much got your money back, right? Your investment back and everything.
Yeah. A 10K with them, I think, was 130, something like that.
Okay, yeah. So you got your money back.
But they're always having
discounts.
Profits. They're always having discounts, so it was basically $100.
I don't know why Cortana's so they're weird. They're always giving discounts. They allow all types of bots. I don't know.
Yeah, it's weird, and they're only one phase too. Nah, I don't know. They're pretty sus, but I mean, they paid me out, so I guess I'm gonna try to get paid out by them again. I wouldn't be surprised if they don't pay me out this time though.
A lot of these platforms, what they do is once you get paid out by the third time, they just close your account without telling you a reason why.
Yeah, I expect that from them. So I'm gonna see if I can get a second payout, and by the second one, hopefully
I guess you're too profitable for the platform, so they just kick you out.
That's a good problem. How's the McLaren?
Bro, it's fire. It's fast. I
How
bought.
much horsepower?
Think it's tuned. So stock would have 570, and when they did the whole dyno and everything, it had almost 900, bro. It's tuned.
Bro,
Yeah, it had a stage 2 tuned. Yeah, I bought it tuned and everything. Yeah.
That's lit.
I want to put downpipes and some things to make it sound louder, because it's loud already.
Right.
But it's just the turbos sound louder than the car itself. It's weird.
Right. Yeah. I heard in your video, like, you hear the turbo more than like
The actual sound of the
the
car, yeah.
car, yeah, the engine. But
Yeah.
I'm surprised it doesn't have downpipes, because if it's almost 900, it should be around stage 2, right?
Yeah. Nah, but it doesn't have
It's
downpipes. How long
damn.
it take you to pass
Oh,
the challenge for people? Depends on the platform, brother. If it's one of those platforms like Cortana that allow HFT, bro, it can literally just take hours or like a day max. But if it's a prop firm, like a more legit prop firm that obviously is not gonna allow HFTs and only allows like regular EAs or just a copy trader, then it'll take me 1 to 2 weeks. Depends on the prop firm that you choose. If you choose Cortana or like any of these prop firms that allow HFTs, then it'll be super quick. And it's also guaranteed. That's the good thing about working with me. And if for whatever reason I can't pass you the prop firm, you have unlimited retries until I basically pass it for you.
my account's in safe hands. And
Yes, sir.
is it rear wheel or all wheel drive? Because
Rear wheel,
majority are rear wheel.
rear wheel, yeah.
It's rear wheel.
And
Oh,
then,
so
bro,
you
like,
can have
and
fun
then
in that car.
yesterday, bro, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just buy another car, and I just bought an Audi.
Crazy, bro. Trader lifestyle.
Bro, I needed it because, bro, I'm not gonna daily the McLaren. You're crazy.
Right.
It's super uncomfortable too, bro. So I was like, I need something comfortable. Like I haven't driven a comfortable car in such a long time because I have the Porsche, but like my mom's always loved the Porsche, so I just gave it to her. I just gave her the
Right.
Macan. Yeah, I gave the Macan, the Porsche to my mom, and I was like, I'm gonna just buy another daily just to try it out. I've never had an Audi before. I heard really good things about them, and bro, they're quick and they're comfortable and they're very very luxurious inside. Like they have a lot of
Yeah.
technology. So far it's been really good. The only bad thing about the Audi is it's obviously not a sporty car. Like it doesn't make any sound. It sounds like a Tesla. But
Right.
but the interior, bro, is probably one of the best interiors I've ever had. Aside from Mercedes, I think Audi has the best interior.
Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. 100%.
Yeah. How much is it to pass an account? So usually I would charge $1,000, but I'm doing the 50% off discount till I don't even know when to be honest. But it's just $500, bro. 50% off, you'll get it for $500. You'll have both phases passed. And if you buy two, and if you want me to pass two challenges from me, then I'll give you. I'm not gonna charge you 500, 500. I'll give you another discount aside from that. The more accounts you buy, the more discounts you'll get, pretty much.
The A7's a solid buy though. That car is super nice.
Yeah.
Super
The
sleek.
exterior is alright, bro. I just got it because, bro, like the Audi dealership was there. Like I was looking at them for some time. I did my research on them, and for that price range, there's really not a lot of good Mercedes to get. Like the Mercedes in the price range aren't good. So it was either that or like a GT43, like a used GT43, and I don't like the GT43. I like the GT63, but the GT63 is like over
Right.
100K. Yeah. So, bro, and I wanted something comfortable. I haven't ridden in a comfortable car in like such a long time. Everything I have is like sporty and race cars. So I was like, I'm gonna just try it out, and if I like it, I might, switch to Audi and probably get an R8 or something later on. I don't know.
Bro, you're crazy, bro. I mean,
Yeah.
R8's one of my dream cars.
Yeah. So far, it's good. So I'm having a good experience with it.
Nah, you'll love it. Like the
Yeah.
best thing about it is like it's never heat in the rain, bro. Quattro's like one of the best all-wheel drive systems like out
Yeah.
there.
So we didn't get a breakout, guys, and we're already in the trade. So it's gonna be one of those days. One of those days where we're in this trade and we're just consolidated, and as long as it remains above that red SMA, guys, we should be good. Um, but the trade just got riskier than what I thought it was gonna be. I love the SQ7 is a Lamborghini with three rows. Yeah, they're literally Lamborghinis. Audi is literally the owner of Lamborghini, and Lambos are made in the same factory as Audi. If you see the dash, like I posted it on a story, if you guys see the digital dash that it has and the whole display, it's literally the same as a yours.
Yep.
Everything's the same. It's literally the same. And there's like a package for those Audis that have the same seats and everything.
Oh yeah, like the bucket seats.
Yeah, that's like the performance package, I believe.
Yeah. The RSQ8 is super nice. It's like literally a Urus.
Yeah, literally. So the euro is for like a third of the price.
Yeah,
Cause
same
it's the
engine,
same
same
engine,
everything.
yeah, same engine, same everything. The only thing that it doesn't have is the Lambo logo.
That's what makes it like 300K more expensive.
No, literally.
The status.
Guys, we need to push up.
I was kind of tempted to re-enter, but I don't know if
Yeah,
like
be
there's enough
careful. Yeah,
volume.
be careful. Now, especially since we didn't get a candle closure, be extra careful. But now we're waiting for the 30-minute. If at 9:30 it closes where it's at right now, we're good. It's still bullish on the 30-minute. Just the 15-minute doesn't look too nice, since it pretty much formed a stronger resistance there.
Yeah, I was literally looking at the 15-minute.
Love
GG
how
during New York, though, it tends to move like 20, 30 pips, and then it just all of a sudden consolidates and then just reverses.
it's
It's
been
happened
moving
so many
terribly,
times.
bro. Like last week, I didn't take a single trade on any of my accounts. Like I didn't trade last week at all.
I don't think I did either.
It's been moving very weird. Love how the interiors truly has aluminium and really high quality buttons. Everything feels really good. Yeah, it feels good. Like the materials that they use on those Audis are good.
Yeah,
Like it
they're
doesn't
well
feel
built
cheap. It
cars.
doesn't feel cheap. Like I love BMWs, but I'm sorry, BMW they have cheap materials. Like it's all plastic.
And their interiors suck.
Yeah. Alright, we're playing back at entry right now. I don't recommend entering if you guys haven't entered yet. We need a candle closure. That's literally all we need for this trade, and we'll be good. I'm currently in some drawdown right now. And we're 1-0 on the live stream. Hopefully we can end this 2-0, for the first time back. I also have another podcast today.
At what time and with who?
My first Spanish podcast.
Oh, you ended up deciding to do a Spanish one?
Yeah. Bro, I've never done a Spanish podcast. Like, all the podcasts that I've done in the past have been in English. I've pretty much mastered English. So, I want to feel a little bit uncomfortable and do it in Spanish for my Spanish community as well.
Yeah, but you've already started like your Spanish Instagram. Like you've already started posting reels and stories in Spanish. So like it's
I'm way
at least
more
you got
fluent.
that practice in.
Yeah, I can have a whole conversation in Spanish, I just haven't done a Spanish podcast in my life. Hopefully it goes out good. With a big trader too.
Go like another trader?
Yeah, he's a pretty big trader. He's let me see what his Instagram name is. He's I believe he's an ambassador for Top Tier, which is a prop firm.
Yeah, Q Bank's prop firm, right?
Yeah. His name is Mr. Valdez. He's a Colombian Forex trader. He has his own podcast and he owns he owns his own podcast and he's an ambassador for Top Tier.
Oh, so it's strictly Spanish community. Like he's like only Spanish trader.
Yeah. I think all his podcast traders they've all talked in Spanish, which is dope. I haven't done a Spanish podcast and that would definitely help me out a lot. Push out more content as well for the Spanish community.
Yeah, from that podcast you got a couple more like Spanish followers. People that just didn't know you but are in the Spanish community. You just get some exposure.
Yeah, definitely.
Damn, GG doesn't want to break.
Have you been using Trade Locker?
Yeah, I used it like once last week, and I like it. It's way better than MetaTrader. Way better.
Nice.
And like I love how it has trading view integrated in it.
Yeah.
I don't gotta be doing that whole like like mark up my charts on TradingView, then like pull out my phone, go on like MT4, MT5, like put in the trade. Like no, like it's all right there, all right from the computer. And it's like more like sleek, more modern. Like MT4, especially MT4, like looks super dated. Alpha did a great job, like moving on to Trade Locker.
There's a few platforms that are still using MT5.
Which is crazy, bro. They're just like falling behind.
Yeah. They sent me one of my clients sent me a funded Next account. They still use MT5.
Funded Next?
Yeah, I've never used them. They allow EAs and everything though. Looks pretty clean. But like I said, they're falling behind. A lot of these servers are pretty slow now too on MT5 or MT4. They have their own server too. Funded Next server. That's dope.
There are like so many prop firms now that like you just like don't even know. Yeah. But yeah, so 188, 600 stop loss, right?
Yeah. Bro, I bought these protein pancakes. They're so good. Bro, each pancake has 20 grams of protein.
Each one? Oh, I put down like 2 or 3 a day.
Yeah.
I already eat like 6 eggs a day.
Yeah.
Where'd you get them at?
Costco.
Costco? Damn, bro, Costco has everything.
Yeah.
Like my parents, when they go buy groceries at Costco sometimes, like, bro, they just come back with like bins full of things. Bro. It's like a whole ass warehouse, bro. It's crazy.
Yeah. That's the good thing. Like it's basically like you buy in like huge amounts. Like they come in like
yeah.
bins
You're just always buying bulk.
Yeah, and it's cheaper too.
Yeah.
Like I said it on my stories, just because I'm profitable, I have a McLaren and stuff, bro. Like I'm still gonna be eating the food that I enjoy eating. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna eat every single day at $1,000 steaks and stuff. There's really no point. I've done it. Trust me, guys. I've ate the $1,000 steaks. I've ate at all these fancy restaurants, and it's not that special. You're gonna get tired of it. It's they serve you a super small steak for $1,000. It's pretty much, when you go to those places, it's pretty much just for the experience. But it's not for the quality of the food, trust me.
That is very true.
I've experienced it all, trust me. I've gone to pretty much every nice restaurant in Miami, and the food's really not it. It's pretty much just the experience, the vibe. It's pretty much what it's all about. Yeah, you can go to one. I can go to one once a week, few times per month, but it's not like I'm gonna eat at those restaurants every day. There's really no point.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree. Like, bro, there was this one restaurant that I went to, bro. It was Navikov.
Yeah, Navikov.
Bro,
I've gone there. That's in
hungry,
bro. Super small plates.
I was starving, and like, bro, that was the worst decision of my life, bro.
It's alright.
Starving.
It's an alright restaurant.
And like the portions were like this, like super small. I was like, bro, like I'm gonna have to eat like 3-4 plates of food to be full.
That one's Japanese, I think, right?
What happened?
That one's Japanese, I think, right?
Yeah. It is.
It's similar to Komodo. I think
super
it's
similar,
but
I like
little
Komodo
more expensive.
More.
I think a little bit more expensive too.
Yeah, it is, but I like Komodo more. I actually like Komodo. Like the brisket noodles or whatever. Oh, nah, it's gas. But like super overrated. You just go for the name.
Yeah, I know, bro. All of those restaurants are the same. They're all overrated.
Yeah. People just go there to post it on their stories. Like, oh, yo, I'm here. I'm spending like $500 tonight on food.
Literally.
4 minutes.
But I feel like they're very profitable businesses, though. Imagine opening up a
Oh yeah,
restaurant in Miami, bro. Just charge $1,000 for whatever, for an appetizer. That's it.
yeah, bro. David Grubman,
Yeah,
hats off
he
to
owns a
him,
lot of
bro.
them. He
Yep,
has a monopoly of restaurants in Miami.
yep, and like Strawberry Moon, Live, Komodo, obviously,
Poppy Steak is by him too, right?
Poppy Steak
Yeah,
too. Yeah, he has a whole ass monopoly. Hats off to him, like I said.
yeah,
The guy's a businessman for real.
yeah. He's also expanding into Vegas now. They're opening up a. They have a Poppy Steak in Vegas. They have I think a Komodo in Vegas, and they have a few like the same restaurants that they have here. They're opening them up in Vegas, which is smart
Yeah,
because I've gone to Vegas and there's a lot of space and like a lot of area like for new things. And Vegas is a really big tourist attraction too worldwide.
yeah. I just haven't gone to Vegas because I don't know. Like I don't want to. At first, I was like, "Oh,
You're
I'll go
not
to Vegas
21,
when I'm
right?
21." What happened?
You're not 21.
No. I turned 21 like a couple months ago, but then I
Yeah.
was like, "Okay, I'll go to
Go when
Vegas
you
and
turn
what?"
21 because they're very strict, bro. Like with the whole ID things, like you're not gonna be able to gamble. You're not gonna be able to do anything. They're very
Right,
strict.
exactly.
I
So
went
that's
when
what
I
I
was
was
like
saying.
19. I thinking that just because I was overage, I was like, gonna able to gamble and stuff. They're very strict. Like they don't care.
Nah, yes, that's why I wanted to wait till I was 21. I turned 21, and
Here
I
in
was like,
Miami,
"Oh,
bro,
we're
like
like,
you can literally do whatever you want. But in
yeah,
Vegas, like it's not like that. It's like they're actually pretty strict.
yeah." Like, bro, like also like at 21, what was I gonna gamble with too? Like $100, like $200. So I was like, I might as well just
Your
save my
forex
money and not go
payouts,
on that trip.
your trading payouts.
Yeah, like some not chill, like I'll like a little percentage, just like straight to Vegas.
Yeah.
Mm,
Poker has really good risk to rewards. I'm not gonna lie, but that's the only thing I would play. Like when I go to those places, when I go to a casino, I don't like gambling on like I don't use slot machines. None of that. That's all trash. But if you are gonna gamble, brother, either blackjack or poker. That's it. Like they actually have good probabilities of you winning. Like you have a higher
right,
chance of winning on those two games than on pretty much anything else.
right.
Roulette is
No, yeah,
straight luck. Pretty much every other game is straight luck, but poker is actually a game of skill. Blackjack is luck, but there is like strategies to it. Like
mm-hmm,
once there's like like I have my own strategy for it. And trust me, like every time I play blackjack, most of the times I win, or at least I break even. You get me?
right. Yeah, like slots and all that, I wouldn't get into. Like my parents call it, bro. They're like, esos son
Bro, yeah,
tragamonedas.
they're rigged. Those slot machines are rigged. Love how yeah the same. I think the chat's frozen or nobody wants to talk. I see a lot of people getting into sport betting now. A lot of like the traders in the industry, they're into sport betting. I don't know about getting into that since I'm not really into. Like I don't really want to push anything that has to do with gambling with my community. You get me? I feel it feels
Bro,
weird.
I tried it out, bro. Sports gambling, because like I know like a little bit about sports and like, nah,
9:30. Did we get a candle closure in 30-minute time frame? Nope.
it closed on.
Guys, if we go back to entry, I'll be closing this trade break even. I really do not like it. But I mean, at least it respected this SMA. But it's still having multiple rejections towards the upside. We might get stopped out here.
I might just close it as is.
Yeah, if you want to, minimize your risk, then, go ahead. You're pretty much only losing 10 pips.
Yeah, I might close as is. Yeah, I'm gonna just close.
I'm gonna stay on the live stream till this trade hits stops or TP.
How far is it away from stops?
Like 6 pips.
Yeah, like 6 pips.
We're currently 12 pips in drawdown.
I mean,
13 pips in drawdown.
hopefully it goes up to entry.
Yeah, at least. We'll be closing break even. Or at least moving our stops to break even. Because it might come to entry then fly. I'm not gonna obviously close it once it's flying, but I'll be moving my stops to break even to minimize the risk.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that then. Hopefully it does a little push up. I mean, it's already 9:30.
It's pushing up. See what gold's doing.
I'm literally checking it right now.
Yeah, gold keeps melting.
Gold's
been moving so weirdly, like so bipolar. It's either like pushing up hundreds of pips or it just pushes down hundreds of pips. I hate how it's been moving. Alright, GJ pushed back up. We're about 9 pips in drawdown. Guys, like up the streams if you're enjoying the live stream, so we can pop up in the YouTube algo.
Yeah, I don't know. Is the chat frozen or just like?
I don't know. Today's Tuesday, right?
Yeah, it's Tuesday.
I realized I just got a haircut on Saturday. I'm already calling my barber up.
Bro, I kind of need to call mine up too. I'm not gonna lie. GG's just dancing right now. We'll go back to entry. Go back to entry, bro.
I'm still in, just not enough everything to listen to them. Pushing back up, we're 9 pips in drawdown.
Mm. Yeah, GG's in that range. GG's in that range.
Yeah, I don't like this trade at all. If we lose this trade, we're pretty much breaking even. We're gonna be 1-1, which is all good. We'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we might catch a bigger trade.
Mr. And gold is tanking.
Gold's melting. Let's see how GJ reacts. They're most of the time inverse. So if gold is melting, GJ should push up.
Sheesh. There were like zero like confirmations for like a bullish gold like this week. It's just on news, I guess.
Yeah, it's been just fundamentals. And even with the fundamentals, it was pretty unpredictable. Like the first big move that it did, everything just skyrocketed. Commodities, crypto, Bitcoin's at an all-time high. It hit 74K today. I'm actually gonna get into crypto. I have a, I already have a pretty big portfolio. My portfolio has grown, but I haven't traded crypto. I'm probably gonna start trading crypto as well.
Oh, trading crypto too?
Yeah, cause I just so like I've always had crypto. Like I just have it. I just store it in my portfolio. Let it grow over time. It obviously grew a
Right.
lot since it's pretty much we're pretty much in a bull run right now with the crypto market. So my gains, I got some gains, and I'm probably just gonna use those profits and trade them. It's literally money that I'm literally it's free money, bro. That I'm trading. What can go wrong? If I
Yeah.
lose it, I'm just gonna be basically breaking even on my investment for my portfolio, and if I win, I'll be winning. I'll be
Yeah.
doubling, tripling my profits. So, and it's literally money that I don't even count on making, bro. Because my main trading Forex, literally like when I live stream with you guys. Uh,
Get
so yeah, like my main stream of income is just live trading. Like the trades that I catch here on live stream are literally my main stream of income when I trade gold and GJ. So anything that I have on my crypto portfolio is extra, to be honest.
But how does that work? Because I remember that live stream that you had Julio
There's a
on.
yeah,
Like he
there's a
said that
different
like
broker. I'm using his. He actually put me on to the broker that he uses. Now it's regulated in a bunch of countries, just not in the U.S. So for if you're in the U.S., you don't need an ID from a different country, but you need to use a VPN to connect to it. And
right.
but the broker is huge. Like it's based in Singapore, and which Singapore is the richest country in Asia, and they sponsor a FIFA team and a Formula One racing team. Like they have money. Those people, they have their logo literally right next to the Red Bull logo in one of the race cars in Formula One, and there's a FIFA team. I forgot which one it is right now. They literally have their logo in their jerseys, so they
Oh
paid a lot
wow.
for that. Yeah, they're pretty big, pretty big.
What 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 broker is it?
It's called Bing X. Look, let me search it up.
Oh, I think I know.
Yeah, those people are paying for ads everywhere. Look, they're the official cryptocurrency partner of Chelsea FC.
Oh yeah. Then there we go. There we go.
Yeah, they're pretty big. Chelsea FC. It's a soccer team from the
Yeah,
UK.
it's a soccer team in England.
Yeah, that's huge. They literally have their logo right in the front of their shirts.
Oh, stops.
Yeah, guys, we just hit stop loss on GJ. All good, guys. We're 1-1 for the day. We'll be coming back tomorrow. Bing X is a good platform. Oh, look, some of the viewers and students know about it, have heard about it.
And what are you gonna use? Julio's indicator?
No,
Or you're
no. I'm gonna use.
kind of just gonna go on what you know?
I go on what I know. Yeah, I don't understand his strategy, bro. He has a good strategy. It works for him, but I'm gonna keep my own trading style because I know at the end of the day markets all move the same. You get me? So why use
Right.
Give me 1 second. My camera glitched. Properties. All right, perfect. So why use a different strategy when I know my strategy works? You get me? So I'm just gonna keep on using my strategy, but instead of trading forex on it, I'll also add it into crypto and see how it goes. If I can make some type of money, trading Bitcoin USD or Ethereum USD, I'll add it again. I also add it into my portfolio. But yeah,
Right.
everybody that I've talked to about that platform, they say it's a good platform. I've been using it for like a week. Testing it out. It's fire. Like the whole interface and everything is fire because it's a wallet. It's similar to Coinbase, but you can also trade on it. You can't trade on Coinbase.
Right. I mean, I'm pretty sure like Webull and like other things like they also allow you to trade.
Yeah, I think so too. I haven't tried those. But the reason why I'm using Bing X because bro, like Julio, he's pretty big with
Right.
crypto. Like he knows. You get me. So if he's
Right.
using
Yeah.
that platform, it's for a reason.
Yeah. No. Yeah. 100%.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll be probably start using it too, and if it goes good, I'll also send out crypto signals in the VIP signal room. That'll be dope. You
Yeah.
guys can catch gold,
Hopefully it goes good.
GJ, and you guys will also be getting crypto signals as well in the VIP. But I
I
appreciate all of
hope.
you guys for joining. We broke break even today for the day. 1-1. We won gold. We lost on GJ. Break even. You guys shouldn't have lost anything if you risked 1% on gold and risked 1% on GJ. You're back at start. You're break even. We'll be coming back tomorrow. Remember, guys, if you're new on the live streams, the live stream schedule is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at the same time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, so 9:30, 10 a.m. where I live stream gold, GJ, and possibly crypto now. So I appreciate all of you guys for joining, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Let's go, guys.
Bye.